Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sync contacts on Telegram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up Google Play Store first. So after opening up the Google Play Store first, here you have to just simply search for Telegram app. So after searching for Telegram, you guys can be able to see the Telegram has been opened here. Simply open up the Telegram application and install it if you have not installed. So if you have already installed it, you have to just simply hit the update button to update the Telegram application, and you guys can use the latest version of Telegram application. So simply hit the open, and you guys can see the Telegram application has opened here. So if you have not logged in with your account, you have to simply log in with your account. If you have already created an account, you guys can log in. If you have not created an account, you guys can just simply sign up a new account. So after that, you have to simply go to the top left corner of the three horizontal lines. So after clicking on these three horizontal lines, just simply hit the settings, which is third last option. So after clicking on settings, you have to just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option which is privacy and security. Just simply hit the privacy and security, and here you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the contact section. So here in the contact section, you guys can see these three options, which is first one is delete synced contacts, and second one is sign contacts, and third one is suggest frequent contacts. So what you have to do is, first of all, you guys have to just simply hit the delete signed contacts. So you have to simply hit the delete button. So after that, you have to just simply enable this option, which is sync contacts. So after syncing the contacts, you have to just simply enable the another option which you want to do. So you have to simply enable another option, which is suggest frequent contacts according to your needs. So after that, you are good to go, and in this way you guys can make, or you guys can sync contacts on Telegram. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.